Good morning everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel, that is Dreamers Live. This is your Vivek. Yesterday I covered Beverly Hills. I was sharing updates on the Beverly Hills, but today, as I promised, I would be helping you get information on what is the progress with reference to construction for our project Prestige Tranquil, which is also at Kokapet, and it is scheduled to be delivered in the month of May 2024. Talking about this particular project, here we had configurations which were roughly 1400 square feet and the topmost going approximately around 2050 square feet. Here all are 3-bedroom configurations, and I would say very few units are left. I would say less than 10%. So in case after watching this video you have any questions, you are interested to purchase, kindly do let me know. You can drop me a message and I'll reach out to you. So enjoy the video and thank you so much for watching. You guys have a wonderful day ahead. Thanks. Cheers.